Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradables. You're with CS Lakshmi Tota. So in this video, we're going to analyze how market has performed today. Considering the fourth week close on today, we can discuss like how market has performed and also the indications. So the markets, all the major indices are still in neutral. So that means we are not into the bullish trend, but we are just into the consolidation. And that's what we have been since Monday. Market was into the consolidation with very flattish close every day with just 20-30 points. That's it. So even today, it ended up with 63 points for Nifty 50. And also even other major indices like Nifty Bank, Nifty IT also doesn't show huge appreciation, but just 140 and 57. And yes, with that, I'm taking this Tradables application which provides data analytics and helps us to understand where are the major levels we need to consider as a resistance or support for our trading experience. So with that, let's discuss whether we were discussing every day at what levels we are expecting for the next day. So let's see whether the levels that we stressed in yesterday's video has been respected by the market today or not. And yes, with that, let's quickly move to the Nifty 50, or we'll just see major indices at a glance first. So looking at Nifty 50 closed at 23,813, where the previous close was at 23,750. So on this 800 number, we were waiting since Monday. So we were telling whenever Nifty crosses 23,800, we can expect some positive momentum in the market. So finally today at the week close, Nifty has reached out to the 23,800. So we will further discuss on Nifty 50 in detail while we explain our candlestick charts and our data analytics. So let's quickly see other indices, how it is doing, and also what's the indication that our application is giving. So Nifty 50, it's indicating neutral, and Bank Nifty is bearish plus, and Bank Nifty had closed at 51,311 with just 140 points appreciation. So IT Nifty closed at 43,721 and the indication is neutral, and it just has 57 points as an appreciation, very flattish, so very stable market. So there's not much volatility in the market considering the global holiday season and also the inactive foreign institutional investors buy or sell movements. So with that, we cannot see any trend recently like until the year close, but we expect active markets from January and February. Jan, considering Trump can give any impact on Indian markets with his tariff trade or maybe any other updates on related to the India America market economic and business. And then for February we have a monetary policy commission meeting and also with the union budget, so we expect definitely impact on the market. So those are the two events that we have to watch on. And yes, with that, Nifty 50, Fin Nifty is also very stable at 44 points and the indication is bearish plus. Mid cap is neutral with just 22 points loss, and Reliance being major stock, major weight in the indices Nifty 50, we expect we are giving the Reliance here and just 4 points it has a appreciation. And yeah, this is the indication for the major indices. And also we can see one more thing, since we are at a week close, if I look at this week data, whatever the number, the displaying percentage here, it is range, current range. So current range is in a yellow color and less than 61%. As per our Fibonacci analysis, we are telling that next week could be also a neutral. And that with that indication, it is also tying up to our big alerts low. So Nifty 50, Nifty Bank IT is into the neutral. So unless until it moves to the green color, we cannot expect any bullish trend currently. And yes, here we are displaying the sectors. So all the sectors giving indication of the what trends we can expect. So realty is in green. So like that we can understand by just having a glance into our portal. And yes, with that, let's quickly see Nifty 50 in detail. So Nifty 50, as I said yesterday, also it closed at 23,750. But we were waiting for 800 number because we were telling according to our Fibonacci analysis 23.6% we had a important number 23,830. So if at all Nifty closed above this number, we were expecting market will go to the upside momentum, but let's see whether it has been respected by the market or not. If you see at the open itself, we have a gap up of 50 points. So market seen a huge positive momentum in the beginning, and the same thing we can see in the candlestick chart as well. So for the first 1 hour, this is 30 minutes candle chart. So for the first 1 hour, we see huge positive momentum. Nifty 50 closed above 830 and also closed above 892 according to the Gann analysis, but couldn't survive above. So it started falling down. But the important thing is like it took major support at 23,830 while closing and also maintained to close above 23,830. So this is indicating it closed on an important level 23,830. So we can expect at least year close can be possible at 24,000 range. And yes, with that, we'll see Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty had 140 points appreciation, and if we see the candlestick chart for the Bank Nifty, again the same trend was seen here. First 1 hour has a huge positive momentum and then it started falling down, but took a support at this level and managed around 23.6%. So that's how we can analyze the charts and the data points that is being given by the application. And let's quickly see index movers, what all the stocks has performed today and how. So Nifty 50. So if we see 29 counters out of 50 performed good today, out of 21 out of 50 was into the negative. Major being ICICI Bank, M&M and HDFC Bank. And we can see month to date. If we see month to date, it's a huge negative with 573 points, and this negative was being carried forward from the US Fed rate cuts impact on the market. And we can also have a year to date glance. So year to date it's really good. 33 out of 50 were into the positive with 4,100 points. So year to date it's very good, but just in this month it is having little bearish momentum. And here you can also see sector wise view, so you can see which sectors performed good. So year to date if we see 11 out of 15 sectors are performing very good. And with that we can also say same way how Bank Nifty stocks were doing. So 7 out of 12 were good today, and negative contributor being SBI being the major negative puller while ICICI being the major positive puller, and survived to close Nifty Bank at a flattish. And yes, same way you can also see IT Nifty. Today IT 4 out of stock. So Infosys, Wipro, Techem pulled to the majority of the positive side, while LTIM, HCL Tech is into the negative. So if we see year to date for the IT Nifty, it's damn good, like 8 out of 10 counters are into the positive with 10,969 points. And yes, with that we covered major indices. So let's see, quickly discuss what could be the targets for Nifty 50, because we are at a certain level of 800 range, which we were stressing since the last few days. So let's see what we expect further. Since Nifty 50 managed to the close above 800, but still 830 is a major number. So if at all it managed to the close about 23,830, so we expect 24,000 is an easy target by the next by this year end. So we just have 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. If we see according to the OI change also, 24,050 is a big important number. If year end candle closed around this number or above this number, we can expect next year market can be a positive momentum. And if you see the support level is 23,800, the number which we were waiting as a resistance until yesterday has become support today. So yes, with that let's see how market will impact for the next 2 trading sessions. And yes, there is one more important feature inside. So whenever we say we see people tend to ask what are the good stocks to buy, what are the good stocks to sell, recommend some stocks. So you need not ask anybody, you just come to our web application. So there are given certain stocks on basis of the trends. So here if we see short term, mid term, long term, so there are people who trade on a day basis or weekly basis or invest on a long term. So for any type of your requirement, you just come here and see short term, mid term, long term. Here we are giving stocks that break a trend. For example, if we see Adani Enterprises, we see for the last 3 days it was into the downtrend or neutral, but today there is a breakout to the positive side. So this stock can be taken as a good opportunity for the short term investment. So for example, same way we are also giving negative stocks which have a downtrend breakout, so those also can be referred here. And mid term, same way for people who plan investment for a weekly basis, so these stocks had a breakout for this week after 3 weeks of the neutral range, so these stocks can be considered. So same way, long term also we are giving indication of which stocks have a breakout to the downside. So one thing to note, we are not SEBI registered, so this is purely educational purpose and as a part of our web application data analytics. So consider your own analysis before you invest anything. And yes, I think with that we can wind up the video. I hope you found the video helpful. So if you like the video, please do not forget to like and share your feedback in our comment section, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll meet in next analysis session. Until then, thank you.